dev, still figuring it out. You're not behind, you're just building. Code guy out. Yeah. This for every dev still stuck in tutorials. Still waiting for that first offer. Code guy in the code base. Let's go. I wake up late, laptop on my lap. Another day where I'm stuck in a trap. LeetCode open, I'm staring at trees, but my brain says, bro, just let it be. Functions break when I think too hard. Life feels like a badly written card. Merge conflicts in my real life script. Every dream feels like it might just slip. Apply to jobs, got we regret to inform. Now the rejection feels like the norm, but I still type code when the world goes mute. Trying to turn the struggle into proof. Yeah, I'm down, but I'm not done. Every failure just makes me run. One more try, I reload the pain. Watch me turn it all to game. I'm code guy, I build from zero. Working dreams to a golden hero. I fall, I break, but I don't stay down. I turn my loss into my crown. I'm code guy, still in the fight. Coding through the darkest night. No job yet, but I still create. And I build my future, I don't wait. Now I'm switching stacks like I switch my mood. Full stack grind, yeah, I stay in the loop. React front end, node back and flow. Trying to build what the companies want to know. Say pain still hits my head. Binary search, but I feel half dead. But I debug life like I debug code. Turning pressure into a stronger mode. Genetic tools in my workflow now. Making smarter apps, learning how. Not just syntax, I think in systems. Building solutions, breaking limits. They see results, they don't see nights. They don't see struggles, only highlights. But every no just sharpens my way. I'm getting closer every day. I'm code guy, I build from zero. Following dreams to a golden hero. Fall, I break, but I don't stay down. I turn my loss into my crown. I'm code guy, still in the fight. Coding through the darkest night. No job yet, but I still create. And I build my future, I don't wait. Now I see it clearer than before. Every rejection opened the door. Not hired yet, but I'm still in motion. Coding my way like an ocean. One day off a letter in my hand. Till then I'm building, I make my stand. From Stack Overflow to life control, I code my path, I own my role. I'm code guy, I build from zero. Provoking dreams to a golden hero. I fall, I break, but I don't stay down. I turn my loss into my crown. I'm code guy, still in the fight. Coding through the darkest night. No job yet, but I still create. I build my future, I don't wait. Yeah. To every dev still figuring it out. You're not behind, you're just building. Code guy out. Yeah. This for every dev still stuck in tutorials. Still waiting for that first offer. Code guy in the code base. Let's go. I wake up late, laptop on my lap. Another day where I'm stuck in a trap. LeetCode open, I'm staring at trees, but my brain says, bro, just let it be. Functions break when I think too hard. Life feels like a badly written card. Merge conflicts in my real life script. Every dream feels like it might just slip. Apply to jobs, got we regret to inform. Now the rejection feels like the norm, but I still type code when the world goes mute. Trying to turn the struggle into proof. Yeah, I'm down, but I'm not done. Every failure just makes me run. One more try, I reload the pain. Watch me turn it all to game. I'm code guy, I build from zero. Working dreams to a golden hero. I fall, I break, but I don't stay down. I turn my loss into my crown. I'm code guy, still in the fight. Coding through the darkest night. No job yet, but I still create. And I build my future, I don't wait. Now I'm switching stacks like I switch my mood. Full stack grind, yeah, I stay in the loop. React front end, node back and flow. Trying to build what the companies want to know. Say pain still hits my head. Binary search, but I feel half dead. But I debug life like I debug code. Turning pressure into a stronger mode. Genetic tools in my workflow now. Making smarter apps, learning how. Not just syntax, I think in systems. Building solutions, breaking limits. They see results, they don't see nights. They don't see struggles, only highlights. But every no just sharpens my way. I'm getting closer every day. I'm code guy, I build from zero. Following dreams to a golden hero. Fall, I break, but I don't stay down. I turn my loss into my crown. I'm code guy, still in the fight. Coding through the darkest night. No job yet, but I
clearer than before. Every rejection opened a door, not hired yet, but I'm still in motion, coding my way like an ocean. One day I'll letter in my hand, till then I'm building, I make my stand. From Stack Overflow to life control, I code my path, I own my road. I'm code guy, I built from zero, provoking dreams to a coding hero. Fall I break, but I don't stay down, I turn my loss into my crown. I'm code guy, still in the fight, coding through the darkest night. No job yet, but I still create, I build my future, I don't wait. Yeah. To every dev still figuring it out, you're not behind, you're just building. Code guy out.
Yo, oh. What the hell is this? Can I just use code guy 01? Save. Yes. Oh shit, bro. You may not change your name, display name, only capitalization of it. Okay, I can't change. Once you create, you can't change the name. Okay, let me capitalize. Fuck you. Fuck you. Twitch model. Twitch model. Oh my god, Twitch model. Well, let's go to the LeetCode, bro. Wow, I am a human. I am a human. Day 5. Day 5 rotate list. Okay, linked list question. Given head of linked list, rotate the list by right k places. What the hell? Given linked list, rotate the array by k places. Yo, Nish, what's up, man? How do we rotate and linked list k places, man? I know how to rotate an array k places. Shall I convert the linked list to array? And since output is like normal array, and we just convert into array and rotate by k places and return back, that is not allowed in the interview, right? So let me write if you're not able to hear me. I don't know if I'm audible or not. So what I'm saying is rotate it by k places and return the output. Let me share this question to my people on the Discord. Uh, PTOT problem of the day. Problem of the day. Seriously, bro, what the fuck? So let me print the head. Can we just directly get the head instead of the head? What are we getting after printing the head? Are we getting the value what was required? Yeah, we are getting the value. Now what we can do is like just rotate by k places in the normal thing array and so let's write the rotate function for this thing. Since we know how the rotate works, it is basically swapping here numbers and just returning them. So we'll have the end and the array itself and passing the head here and while start is open and then want to let them store the value of the star ARR of start and the ARR of start will store the ARR of end and in the end we'll store the ARR of end will contain of 10 but now we have to implement it so w10. Now we have the rotate function right now. Now we have to only rotate k places. We need free rotation to do that. Since we have done so many times the same question here. Rotating k places, right? Rotating k. First you have to rotate from k minus 1 till. Do we have to rotate k minus 1? No, we have to rotate from k minus 1 till AR that length. Oh, yeah, we have to do AR that length. So we can see and rotate. Now we have to rotate from k till AR. So not AR. Head dot length and our array will be the head and head. Since our head won't be okay. Let me create the head ARR, bro. I can't do. I don't think head will have the length. So what we can do is like get the head here. I think head ARR should have the head's value. Head ARR. Head ARR is here, and we have to rotate everything at once, I guess. At the end, rotate from 0 till um, uh, head ARR at length, and our array will be like head ARR. Should I do minus 1? I think I need to do minus 1. First one will be like from k, from 0 to k, 0 to k minus 1, okay. And next one will be like k till n, and last one will be like complete array. Head ARR. Okay, I think it's good now. They did not even mention anything like you have to do it in place or something. So I think using an array is a good way of solving this. I don't know, maybe like they are asking me to do in 2 pointers, but I'm just doing it in the normal way how you do on the array thing. I have to return the head ARR. If this is rotated, then we are good. Rotate is working right. Start, end, and ARR will be here. Then ARR of start will then will contain ARR of start, and the ARR of start is going to end. And ARR of end is temp, and start plus plus end minus minus. And copy the head array. Let me check once. Okay, we got some error here. What's the issue here? Okay, it should be head ARR, I guess. Are we using the head somewhere? We are using only head ARR. I think it should work now. If my rotation function is proper, then it should work. We are getting some issues here. Head ARR dot length minus 1 is right one, I guess. What is the issue here? Okay, let me comment this and first check if my head ARR is here first. Okay. So can I just copy the head itself? If I can't do spread operator, then I can do this, right? Because this is pointing the same thing. So now this should work, right? It doesn't matter for me like it is pointing in the normal way or like in the wrong way. What it's saying to me. There are then. Oh, it should be fine. So this was right. You can do spread operator for this thing. No other way of copying this thing. That is not editable. Fine. Can I do this? We got a wrong answer right now. What is the issue here? So the rotation did not work. Yeah, let's debug. My head consists the head and rotation will start from here. Rotation function is proper, I guess. What is the issue here? Oh, they are asking rotate K by right places. I think I have done for the left guys. How do you do for the right place? It should be reverse right. I think it's if this is for right, then it should be coming in middle, I guess. And we will be rotating from 0 till end first, and again we'll be rotating back, I guess. I don't know. This is not even rotating anything. Fine. Like why my rotation function is not working? A rotate function should work, man. Since we have a k places, are we not using the k thing? I think I have missed something. It should be from 0 till k and k till 0. Okay, this should be k, I guess. Are you getting wrong answer? Not even any rotation happened here. Why can't we just convert the linked list to the because of hell? Oh, I think this part is not working, I guess. Maybe what we're expecting is not getting over here, I guess. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you guys have any idea like what can we do? I think this should be like 0. This should be 0 and this should be k, I guess. For the right one and for the left one it will be opposite. Maybe the storing part is wrong, I guess. How can we store this? Maybe let's iterate over the head element. Current equals to head. And until our current is there, current is not equally null. Till that, what we'll do is like let head arr. We just push the element inside that. In head arr, we just push the element. Head arr push. Current dot val. Current should become current dot next, I guess. Move friend. Now our head should have the proper value for this thing, and rotation also should work, I guess. Since our starting should be for 0 for this one, and if we are doing it for the left one, then it should be like 0 till k minus 1, and after that k till end of the array, and the whole rotation of the array. But here, since we are doing for the right side, we have to do it a little different, I guess. This should work, bro. If this is not working, then we need to see what is error. We got something wrong here. What does it say? I don't even have line 57 somewhere. Okay, let me console log the head AR. Like why it's saying me can't return back. Return list, no. Oh shit. Is it possible? Lol, what the fuck am I even searching, man? The only way of doing is like we have to again iterate back to the head, I guess. We're using n spaces for doing that thing. What are they doing? Checking if length is in head. They're creating new list array. Oh shit. Why are they doing 0? Oh, this part is not understandable. Oh, this is cool. Array dot reduce right. Oh, they're using this. Are they using this thing or like concise ways use reduce dot left, which builds a list from the end of the front. Oh, shit. Okay, let us try this. Uh, can I just manipulate the head array now? Will be this head arr. I don't think this is possible. What is this reduce right does, bro? Iterative, where is that iterative thing? Iterative method, it runs reducer callback functions over all elements in array in descending, ascending. It's only used for printing in descending and ascending. Will it convert my array back to linked list or not? That is what my problem. Our only thing need to be done is like we have to only convert back to linked list. Will this really work? Can I even do this thing? Let me run once. It worked for the first one, but it failed for the last thing. Like, why? Did it go out of the bound? No, it did not even rotate. I think we have to do it in a different way. So you already have the head. What we have to do is iterate over the array and just push it inside the linked base. Or maybe we can create a new linked list. Let result equals to new. Where is the list node? This was supposed to be new list node. Does it takes anything in it? It takes value and next. Do you have to create separate link list node for everything, or like since we have rotating here, maybe we are getting error in survival. While my current is there, until then you push, when you will be getting errors 452. Okay, this is fine. Check for the second test case. Did you show for the second test case? The first one is right, I guess. First one is 45123. 45123. Now we have to create the linked list and push the elements inside it. I mean next. How do you do that? Can't I just create a new linked list? What does this thing give me? Console.log result. I'm doing it in a too much complicated way. Let me comment this thing so you don't get the error. I'm making it too much complicated. Right? So we have a 0 here. So this is literally empty, I guess. Let's rename to the. Let's keep the result itself. Now what we can do is like do a for loop and that I will go till head arr dot length. This should happen after the rotation. So I might be getting the wrong answer later. So I will just make sure to put that thing here. Now we have to only connect everything together. That's it. First value you take and connect to the second value. Okay, let me ask GPT for something. What the fuck? You're very close. Your approach converts and rotate and rebuild the list totally fine. This part sucks. Is just rebuilding the linked list from the array. Uh, This stuck. This part is stuck on the is rebuilding the linked list from array. The problem in your current code, you created one node and you're not linking new nodes. You need to build a chain using next. What are you saying? Start like this. Or I have to first assign my result as head of 0. So it will contain the first element. Where is that? Where is it, man? How do you assign it? Yeah. Okay, normal assign. Now we have now we have a zeroth element, and now we have to only iterate over the thing and just complete this thing. And let my current will be result. What is this? Current is used to build the list. Why it is pointing to the result now? So if you print my result, if I print my current, then I will get my first node out. If you print the current one, are you getting some error? Current has been already declared. Okay. Uh, Current node maybe? Wow, we're getting 4. Okay, the first one, the first value, fine. What we need to do is like iterate over the current and do next and how do you assign the value then? Should it be current.val? Current.val equals to head area I and current equals to current.next. Will this work? This should work, I guess. It will start from 0. It should start from 1, right? Then since we have already stored the first thing here, so it will start from the first element. I will start appending inside the val and move to the next pointer here. Oh shit, let's hope it works. So I am supposed to return the result, right? I'm doing it in a too much complicated way right now. Bullshit. Cannot set a property of null to the what does it say? Cannot set a property of null. Can I use a while loop while my current dot next not equals to null? Until then you push this values inside it. Current dot val will become my where is that? Area. Ah shit. How do I point out the first current value right now? Can I make it current? Current won't be pointing though. Or can I just take a pointer here? Let articles 1. I'll put a start here and can I do start plus. Once it pushes the value, then it should move to the current dot next, and after that start should become plus plus. So it ends until my current dot next is not null. You store the head dot start value and move to the next pointer and change the start pointer so it will change the value. I hope this works. Finger crossed. Still getting null, bro. But this was not supposed to be null. Okay, let me put until my current is there. Till then you do. Why I'm getting current as okay. Okay, I made a mistake. I need to use current node since my other variable here named as current is giving me some errors. Now we have the current node, and everything, and this can go till this thing right now. This will work now. If my pointer is right, then it should work. Oh my god, I got everything wrong, bro. What the fuck? Why no values were pushed? Wait for it. Since we have found the bug, what was the issue? Until current node value equals to head ARR of I, and current will become current should become current dot next, it will move to the next element. Run. Oh shit, bro. Current node, sorry. What is it saying? Null again. Why are we getting null? So many nulls. Current node is supposed to not be null. Did I do some mistake here? What am I mistake right now, bro? Um, should I create a new list one for everything inside it? The next node is null, so when you do, you move to the null. Then you try to add value inside it. You only created one node. What do you mean by I have to create every node? You are not creating new nodes inside loop. Don't override, you already set the first value. After that, you create new nodes. You should be doing instead this. I have to create a new value inside, not modify. Okay, I need to do this. Current node will be okay. I need to create new nodes, not like this. What was here? New list node of head. Yeah. How is this even working? Oh, it should be like next right, and after that you can do this thing. But should be val, right? We're setting the value, right? First node represent the value, not modifying val. Current node, again, we start from one, everything's fine, I guess. Now this will work or not. So for what we did first, we wrote a rotate function, and after that we converted this to array again and rotated it by k places it right. And after that we are writing back to the result array and now pushing. I made it too much complicated. What the fuck? It's still not work. Is this because of 0? No, the second one did not even rotate. Split into parts. How do I get the value like this thing here? Say my first node will contain the value of the next. Okay, first value will be inside this and next value will be inside the to implement this thing. Split into parts. So imagine we have been given this whole thing. Yeah, when did you message, man? BJP won. No, congratulations. I'm not more into the politics, but still, congratulations. Uh, Easy, yeah. Wow, this is easy. But they're given staff level, bro. L6 for this thing, I guess. What is staff and L6? Proficiency, uh, like an SG3 at Amazon or maybe big tech companies, I guess, Fang or Bang. If we know how to split the English, then this is not a top tier question, I guess. They have given me K value, I need to split this head into equal parts, I guess. If it is not there, then we have to push some empty values. I guess. Staff staff level is like L6, L6 in Fang Mang and big tech companies. I did Google for that. What does staff means in LeetCode? A staff software engineer role, often L6 or equivalent. Higher level system design and yeah, kind of big tech guys. But the fuck, I'm not L6, bro. Oh, you're L6. Oh, nice. What should be done right now? We have been given a head, and we have to return a list node, and we need to split them into k equal parts. So the value is given as 3, but why are we having 4 values here? What bullshit is this? We could have done 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, and 12 for that. We could have left empty, man. Draw. I'm really bad at explaining. Look at this, I could not even solve this thing. I took the problem, but I could not solve it. Okay, they are saying like we will be given a head. So this is head. Head, right? Pardon me, man. Like I'm using my mouse to write whatever I'm writing here. So this will be our head, and k will be given. Imagine if k is 2, what we need to do is take this 2 and put it in the result array. So what will be 1 2 shade bro. This will be the first kind of pair, I guess. 2 3 and so on. How many we have? 1 2 3 4 5. If we are getting even number, then splitting is easy. Getting odd is harder, I guess. 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 and 10 is left. But what they did is like 1 2 3 4, and then they did 5 6 7, and then they did 8 9 10. Why? But the value was given 3. As per the first example, the first one was given like 1 2 3, but the k value was 5, I guess. Where is that thing? Here, here the k, here we have only 3 elements, 1 2 3, but k value was 5. So what he did is like he took the first value and stored it here, second value here, and third value here. After that, he just put 2 empty placeholders. But why didn't he do it here? If we had to only find the k equals to 3, then it should be 1 2 3 and 4 5 6 7 8 9, and 10 11 12 will be like empty array. I mean empty placeholders. No, here they given 3, man. I can't understand this, bro. Input has been split into consecutive parts with size difference almost 1, and earlier parts are larger than the size and later parts. What the fuck? Input has been split into consecutive parts with size difference at most 1. Uh, 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 Twitchy, twitchy. Oh, we got 4 followers. What the fuck? Why is this chat not working, bro? So many people are alive. I mean, sorry, alive. They killed everyone. What the fuck? What is a lead code? What is a lead code profile? Huh? What is a lead code profile? Are you asking my profile? Mine is dumb profile, bro. Dumb profile. Dumbest profile. This is this is my profile. I'm staying undercover right now. Like I'm from Western Sahara. What the fuck? Why am I even sitting in the PC, man? Like nobody there. I mean, he's there, but he's not speaking. Oh, I'm top 98 percentage. Oh, you mean I'm like out of 100 people? Like I'm on the place. I'm like 80. I'm in 98 position. What does this say? Holy shit! 44 percentage. Did I even do this many? I did not even remember like I'm doing this thing. I've only attended 5, man. How how is this even possible? These many people attended the. What the hell is this? And when will I get this thing? What the fuck is 98 percentage, bro? You have 0 questions or French is like 0 questions or French. What is wrong with your French? I think I can get it here. It's W3 NCS. See, this is how we read. I mean, what do you say that? Doxing. This is how we dox people. Oh, what the fuck? W3 NCS. This is what I type, bro. W3 NCS. There we go. This is you, right? Yeah, this is you. Golang, Python. Yeah, this is you. See, this is how I. You follow me? What the fuck? Why are you following me, man? Oh, you're top 29, bro. Damn, bro. Top 26 percentage. Like 74k people have attended there. Oh, your graph is crazy, bro. You have been grinding from last year. Wow. Keep going, brother. Do you solve more than 10 questions a day or what? 3 years ago. What the fuck? I think this is your second profile. You're lying to me. I'm following you. Lol, I'm following you. What is Vox? Let's let docs the range. What do you say this portfolio, right? A security focused learner while Learner working through CTFs, labs, and real-world attack. Surface to understand how system actually breaks, how to fix, stop attack before they happen. Oh, where is your certification? You have to mention certification. It's oops 404. What do you have in the archive? Oh, all this you are. I think I think all these write-ups. I guess minimalism is intentional clarity over noise. What is this? Ah shit! I became God now. Horror forming. My eyes are gone. No search done by me. When are you planning to do then? Contact, leak everything. Yeah, let's go. We leak our rents. This is our rents email and what the fuck is this? Async communication. It was nice doxing the rents, I guess. What do you have in the GitHub then? Somebody wants to flex in the. I mean, somebody wants to flex their LeetCode profile or GitHub profile. You can share. You can share the username. You can share the username if you want. I'm just doxing everyone now on the live. Yeah, did you guys hear this music? I made it using the AI. What the fuck is that? Listen to this.
Yeah. It's for every dev still stuck in tutorials. Still waiting for that first offer. Code guy in the code base. Let's go. I wake up late, laptop on my lap. Another day where I'm stuck in a trap. LeetCode open, I'm staring at trees, but my brain says, bro, just let it be. Functions break when I think too hard. Life feels like a badly written card. Merge conflicts in my real life script. Every dream feels like it might just slip. Apply to jobs, God, we regret to inform. Now the rejection feels like the norm, but I still type code when the world goes mute. Trying to turn the struggle into proof. Yeah, I'm down, but I'm not done. Every failure just makes me run. One more try, I reload the pain. Watch me turn it all again. I'm code guy, I build from zero. Working dreams to a coding hero. I fall, I break, but I don't stay down. I turn my loss into my crown. I'm code guy, still in the fight. Coding through the darkest night. No job yet, but I still create. And I build my future, I don't wait. Now I'm switching stacks like I switch my mood. Full stack grind, yeah, I stay in the loop. React front end, node back and flow. Trying to build what the companies wanna know. D-say pain still hits my head. Binary search, but I feel half dead. But I debug life like I debug code. Turning pressure into a stronger mode. Gen tools in my workflow now. Making smarter apps, learning how. Not just syntax, I think in systems. Building solutions, breaking limits. They see results, they don't see nights. They don't see struggles, only highlights. But every no just sharpens my way. I'm getting closer every day. I'm code guy, I build from zero. Following dreams to a coding hero. Fall, I break, but I don't stay down. I turn my loss into my crown. I'm code guy, still in the fight. Coding through the darkest night. No job yet, but I still create. And I build my future, I don't wait. Now I see it clearer than before. Every rejection opened the door. Not hired yet, but I'm still in motion. Coding my way like an ocean. One day off a letter in my hand. Till then I'm building, I'll make my stand. From Stack Overflow to life control. I code my path, I own my role. I'm code guy, I build from zero. Provoking dreams to a coding hero. Fall, I break, but I don't stay down. I turn my loss into my crown. I'm code guy, still in the fight. Coding through the darkest night. No job yet, but I still create. I build my future, I don't wait.
Randomly kills processes in the background to optimize the system resources.
Yeah. So every dev still figuring it out. You're not behind, you're just building. Code guy out.
Bro has 31. Bro has 31 repos. Damn, bro. How was the song, man? It's all created by fucking AI called as, what is it? Suno AI, I guess. Suno AI, yeah, Suno AI. Okay. What is Voxon? Are you walking somewhere in the Voxon? Oh, you're a BTS fan. Is this BTS or like something different? I don't think it's BTS. Maybe something similar to BTS, I guess. I don't know who is BTS. You have 188 star. Damn, fucking crazy. Did you star 188 repos or like? Oh, you starred mine? What the fuck? I have only 3 stars. What is this? Archestra. What the fuck? I'm not fucking fan of BTS, man. What the hell? I said I don't know BTS. I didn't say I know BTS and I love BTS or something like that. Um, मुझे ना भाई मुझे BTS TTS से नफरत है bro. Fiber? What is fiber, man? What the hell is fiber? Fiber is a language? I never heard of fiber. You have it in the tag. Is this Elden Ring? It look like an Elden Ring thing. Or Transformer? What the hell is that? Okay, let's code. Let's solve this split thing. What the hell did we leave? So whenever our k is greater than, how do we say that? K is greater than our length, then we can insert the empty values at the end. Otherwise, what we need to do is like split the array before we even start splitting. I mean, like making up these pairs, I guess. If the value is 3, then what we need to do is check, do we have equal pairs of 3 here? We don't have equal pairs of 3, right? Do we have? We don't have one. We have 1 here. So since we don't have equal pairs of 3, what we need to do is like first we have to take 1 more here. I don't know, this will increase, I guess. I don't know how will I manage that thing. Oh, okay. I don't know what the hell is that. We have something similar to that in Elden Ring. Elden Ring. What the hell is the name of the boss? Fire boss, I guess. This is the one. This is the one. This one. This one. It looks similar to that. See this. This is what you had, I guess. Did you see this wrench? Same, right? It was standing in the same position, right? NCH. See this profile and see this image. Looks similar, right? This one and this one. Otherwise, this one and this one. See, this is why I told Elden Ring. Bro, this question is so hard, bro. We need to even determine before we even start splitting the linked list. How do you even split a linked list? Um, do I need to create a separate node for everything whenever we do this? that we have to maintain all these values somewhere so we can just split it quicker as possible, I guess. Why is DDoS is sitting in the VC alone, bro? Who hurt him? It is not even reply, bro. This was asked in the weekly contest 58. Ooh. Did I enroll in the next contest? I don't have to, I guess. Oh, I did not even register. What the hell? Okay, this is registered. Alright. If my value is 3 and K is 5, then it is obviously greater than the head value. Obviously, it's greater than the head value, so we have to split. Alright, I'll be right back after my lunch. Sorry, dinner. Ignore my fucking handwriting. Where is the opacity and stroke thing? Oh, here. Ah, this is wrong. It should be like this, right? Wow, my handwriting is so good, bro. Even on the mouse. Okay, be right back after my dinner. You guys can have fun until that. If you guys can start or give me some hint here, so it will be really useful for me. Since I don't know how the fuck am I supposed to do this. Let me share the question link. If you want, you can join. Until that, I'll finish my dinner and come back. Don't copy paste from the chat GPT, man. We can learn together. Since I'm doing the same, but I'm still saying you to not do. Let me share this so we could learn in real, I guess. Join this link. Join this link. Join this link if you can solve. Then don't copy paste from the chat GPT. Until that, I'll just have my dinner and be right back in few minutes, or like I'll be back in 7 minutes or 8 minutes. I'll do as much fast I can as possible, man, from my side. Since I don't have time, tomorrow I have to go to hospital after my elder brother from my mama's, my uncle's son. Be right back. हेलो हेलो भानु प्रताप सिंह भाई, क्या हाल चाल? और सब बढ़िया? केहू चेंज JavaScript. How to do this question, man? Length of each part should be equal as possible. No part should have a size of differing by one more than one. If my k is greater than my length of this thing, then we need to. If k is lesser than uh, my total number of pairs, I guess, then we have to increment one in the first, and rest will be same, I guess. But if it is greater, then we have to do it in this way. How do we store an empty value? Will it be null? Even null will be shown here null. We can't store empty value, I guess. We store an empty value. Undefined? Okay, they are given. We can either store undefined. Who is this? Aditya Sable. Aditya Sable, what's up, man? Join if you want to solve this, or you can solve. There's a chat. Oh, here's a chat. This is not needed, and okay, I think this is too big. Make it smaller. Yeah, now it's good. Okay, now I'm able to see the chat as well as the question as well as my coding panel. Now I need to just figure out how I can make them pair with each other. Should it be length of my this thing list divided by k? Then will we get the equal pairs? Okay, so many people join. Alice. Do you guys know JavaScript, or should I shift it to the C++ or Java? Which language do you prefer? I just want to learn. So it doesn't matter for me like which language you prefer. In the end, the solving matters and how we are solving it. Okay, so if we divide the total elements like k, how many pairs we are getting? 1, 2, 6. So we have 10 elements. Yeah, we are getting the total number of elements needed for that thing. When we have 3, but this is something wrong for the lower value, but when it is higher, then we are able to figure out how much we need for the pairing of 1, 2, 3, 6. When we do 10 divided by 3, then we're getting 3. It is like equal pair we need to figure out. And but for this thing we are getting wrong, I guess. No, whenever our k value is greater than our list value, then we have to divide the k value by list size. Then we are getting a decimal point answer. Let me show you. Let's see. So the length of my this thing is 10, right? 10 divided by 3 is like 313. So we get 3. And where is clean? Okay. Now we have k equals to 5 and head length is like 3. So what we can do is like 5 divided by 3, you get 1.6. Ignore the 6 and 7, you get 1, which is this value. So whenever k value is greater than that, then we have to divide the k with the total size, and whenever our k is lesser than my total size, then divide the head length divided by k. So we get the number of pairs we need to form right now. We only need to do is like return the pair. We found out how can we get the total number of pairs required for everything. The only thing is left is we have to just return the pair. Now we need to find how can we return the pair now. Divide the k. Okay, let me write simple language. K divided by head size if smaller, if k is greater, else will be head size divided by k value, which will be like equal number of items needed to be paired up. Okay, people left. Why people are leaving? Anyone know JavaScript? Anyone wants to join? If anyone is interested to join, let me join. Why DDoS is sitting still in the DC, bro? What happened to DDoS? Bro is sitting alone like past 1 hour. Maybe he's focusing on something and studying on own. He just joined the channel. Possible. Pomodoro. What do you call that? Pomodoro. Pomodoro timer. This is over. You got the total number of elements needed for the pairing up, and we need to just pair up. Whenever my k value is lesser than, then we have to split. Whenever my k is greater, whenever the k value is greater, then we have to split. Whenever k value is lesser than my total length, then we have to join. Oh, do I need to form a new list node for everything? Like we did for the past question? Since for the past question we did this thing, right? Where is that? This thing. We created every new list node and appended the arrays element whatever is there in the head array, and we got the head array from the head. Can't we just do the same thing for this thing? and only push. I mean only slice and push until the number required. But this is wrong way of doing that thing. I guess this shouldn't be that hard. We only have to do is like slice. If k is 3, then we have first we slice 3. No, if this is greater than my, if this is lesser than my element, and then what we need to do is first we have to pull 4 elements, and after that whatever is given, then 3 3 3 3 is prepare. But in the end you should not give empty one. Only empty one is allowed when k value is greater than my total head dot size. Uh, okay, let's try by brute force way. How people will do if they don't know linked list. Example me. If I don't know the linked list, how will I do this? First, what I will do is like I will push all the values into my array, and after that I will slice them and put it back again there, I guess. But this is long way of doing, but still we can check if our logic is working or not. Once it works, then we can learn how to do with the linked list then after that. So for adding the value inside the array, we know already we did, right? Like you can just keep a head arr, and while my current is there, until then what you do, head sorry head ar push current dot val. Do you need to do current dot val? I mean, do you need to do again current dot next to move the next element, or it's needed? Since it will not go back to the next element, so we have to do this. It's like plus plus. Now we should have all the values inside the header, I guess. Oh, everyone left. Why everyone's leaving? Oh, we have all the values, whatever was needed for that thing. Now we have to only slice and append, bro. That's it. Boom, we are done then. Only we have to, what we need to do is like slice and append as per the condition. But this is not the right way of doing the linked list questions, I guess. I'm doing it in a different wrong way. Maybe an iterative approach on my own. I'm just making my own simulations. What we need to do is slice. K is given. We have to slice and move till end, right? Let now slicing operator is needed. Yes, slicing operation. How will you slice? From the starting index till k index. After that we have to make our isk or what? Let me try. If I slice, okay, let me keep a result IRR for that thing. Even then, everything will collapse, man. Like it is array of array. Inside array, we have another array, and another array, and another array. I don't think this will work. Let me try. Is he writing something or like he's keeping the cursor where and keeping? Oh, he's doing something. Cool, bro. Do whatever you can. Slice from my I till k index. after you slice, then you make my k as k. Is it right or wrong? Like, what the hell? Let me store this index, current index. So what will happen? My I will become current index then. This should split everything, right? After you slice, then what you need to do is like push into the result. And pushing into result have a different way of it. Can I just use current index? But current index will have only the value, I guess. We need to pass header dot slice. I comma k or k minus 1. No fucking idea. I know this will not work, but still I'm just trying to do. I know something is off. This should throw an error right now. Yeah, here we go. Oh, this is header ARR. Sorry, header ARR. Header ARR slice. I don't think this will work. Since my header is not an array, slice operator won't work. Okay, it is an array, but since we are doing it inside the folder, we will work on slice should work. Or do we really need this slice? We don't have anything in this slice operator. Nice. Why is this happening? If I console log my current index, what do we have here? The current index really has the slice value on it. We got a runtime error right now. We are getting 1 2 3, and we were supposed to only slice. Since there are 5, or slice, what does slice do? Slice from 1 to k, I to k. So I to k will be like the value is given 5, so it will slice everything. Shit, we need a different approach right now. Krishna is doing something. Let's go, Krishna. Cook something hard. You guys need help, man. Need help. Need help. Help. SOS. Slicing is completely off, I guess, and this won't work. As I thought, is not working. If k is greater, then we need to slice one thing. If k is lesser, then we need to slice everything together. Yeah, let's go. Krishna is fixing my syntax. I plus k. Oh, I plus k minus 1. How this will work? Okay, let me tell him like don't submit, but you can run how much admin time submit and just run. We can do it once. Get what is the output now? So our result is empty right now. It shouldn't be empty. We should at least have the current index also. Oh, he added something new. Result dot push up slice of Can we add a 3 thing here? What the hell? I never saw this thing. It can only have a start and end, right? Yeah, start and end. Optional. End is optional. If I don't put end, then it will automatically take until the end of here. Oh, we can even copy an array with slice. Damn, bro. Get from the index to end. Okay. Splice changes the original array by removing anything else. Can even do splice. Oh, you're asking why I'm doing console log? Uh, I can do it in any language, but it doesn't matter. Cool, Java. Java, I understand a bit, I guess. Since they should be same, right? Like head dot next and we have head dot next year. We don't have. Okay, we have next year. Wait, but why did he switch again? Did he go or what? I'm not able to see his cursor right now. Is he inactive? If anyone else wants to join, then can join, man. This question is like fucking my brain right now. Your JS code was almost right. What the fuck are you saying? It won't work, I guess. It can't run like that. It won't work until we fix this lives and moving to the next index thing. I'll do this thing. This is not possible. Slice and append aspect and append. If my index is greater than k is greater than if k is greater than this thing, then we have to slice from the one. Instead of doing this thing, because let me my k current index is not even needed. Since we did k minus 1, I think that will do the work. If my k is greater than my header length, oh, since I do this thing, okay, you can do this. Since we are taking everything as single value right now. Header dot length, then what we need to do is like push array of array